Welcome to Farmers Diary. Today, I want to be showing you the development that has been going on lately because we are going to be hosting World Cup here starting from the 11th of June 2026. You don't know what many things about Mexico, but I'm assuring you, by the time you get to Mexico, you will know that we have been doing a lot. It's overwhelming, it's so fascinating. If you come here during the World Cup, you are going to see a lot of development that will be going on. Right now, it's going on. Look behind me, you will see the kind of the structure that we are putting. This has been in existence for a long time, but right now we are trying to renovate it. And just follow me. I'm going to take you to metro, underground. We have standard metro because Mexico has one of the best transportation system in the world. But right now we are trying all our possible best to make sure that we renovate them. We are renovating everywhere. And I will be taking you along right now to show you where we have been to, what we have been doing, how long this is going to take before the 11th of June 2026. It's going to be an amazing event in Mexico. This World Cup was sometimes ago hosted by Mexico about 40 years ago, but it has come again. And it's going to be an excitement. You will see a lot of infrastructure. Look at it. We are going to be renovating everywhere, everywhere. And then I want to see how far we've gone. That's why I want to take you through metro stations. You will see that everywhere we have ties, we are removing it. We are placing another one there. This is Mexico. And Mexico is very beautiful nation. So I want you to follow me today because I will be taking you around and I will be showing you the massive development that is going on in Mexico. Just follow me to metro station and see a lot of development. I don't need to tell you much. I want you to see by yourself. So let's see. Follow me. Do you speak English? Do you speak English?
Yes.
Oh,
Sorry,
mucho
hi,
gusto.
I'm in a call right now.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I would have
Yeah.
just wanted you to say a little things about Mexico because there are many people coming to our event, World Cup, that will be starting on 11th of June. So what can you say in just 1 minute because you are busy? What can you say about Mexico?
Sure, of course. Hi, I'm Mexican, and it's a beautiful country, amazing. I really love it. It's a lot of diversity right here. We have many cultures within the country, and in each city that you visit, you can find lots of food and culture, music, and you should visit.
You have just heard from her now. Viva Mexico, this is one of the best nations in the world. I'm not sugarcoating it. This is one of the best nations. And just follow me. You're going to see development. Bye. It's not by accident that we find ourselves here in Mexico. It has been destined that we're going to be a partaker to experience World Cup, which we hosted about 40 years ago once again. So we are going to be hosting it starting from 11th of June 2026. And it's going to be massive.
Both mountain and valley are created by God. And wherever you find yourself, make impact, because we will one day become history. The sun still rises on the weak and the strong. Every breath we take writes our story long. Time keeps moving, it never will wait. So live with purpose before it's too late. In the height of success, stay humble and wise. In the depth of struggle, let courage arise. Storms may test you, Winds may blow, but roots grow deeper when pressures show. Your trials today are tomorrow's crown. Stand back up each time you fall down. Every scar you carry tells a tale of fight. Every dark season prepares new light. You were not born just to exist, but to leave a mark that can't be missed. Let your voice echo beyond your name. Let your works outlive your fame. When the road feels long and the nights are cold, remember your dreams are worth more than gold. Legends are shaped in unseen days, in silent prayers and hidden ways. Greatness grows in patience. So
Guys, this is where I'll be entering. I'm gonna start from Bayasatis. This is where we call Bayasatis. And this is one of the most important metro stations that connects a lot of provinces in Mexico. I know it's very noisy here, but I will try as much as possible to make this video very clear so you can be able to. I will remove all the noises, but this is where we are gonna start today. We are gonna start from Bayasatis, as you can see. This is Bayasatis Metro, and this metro station is actually connecting all the provinces in this Mexico City. So Bayasatis as where we call Colonia called Cuauhtemoc. So this is under Cuauhtemoc. So let's go. We are going right now. So as you can see, the entrance, this was a ties that was there before. This was the ties that was, I mean, this was the ties that was there before. But because of the upcoming events, you can see that Mexico government, we are removing every ties in the metro. Yes, you can see that it's being removed. So just follow me. Yeah, we've removed every ties on that staircase. This is the staircase to the metro. We have removed everything in the wall. So, but people are still rushing, you know. Like I said, this is a major transportation system in Mexico City. So you can see the development that I'm talking about. Look at it. Look at everywhere. Everything has been, they have scraped all the wall. So you can see on the ground, the work is going on. Look at everywhere, the work is going on. So this is this is entrance.
Both mountain and valley are created by God. And wherever you find yourself, make impact, because we will one day become history. The sun still rises on the weak and the strong. Every breath we take writes our story long. Time keeps moving, it never will wait. So live with purpose before it's too late. In the height of success, stay humble and wise. In the depth of struggle, let courage arise. Storms may test you, winds may blow, but roots grow deeper when pressures show. Your trials today are tomorrow's crown. Stand back up each time you fall down. Every scar you carry tells a tale of fight. Every dark there's new light. You were not born just to exist, but to leave a mark that can't be missed. Let your voice echo beyond your name. Let your works outlive your fame. When the road feels long and the nights are cold, remember your dreams are worth more than gold. Legends are shaped in unseen days, in silent prayers and hidden ways. Greatness grows in patient soil, watered by faith and honest toil. Do good when no one is watching you. Stay firm, stay kind, stay true, for history remembers the hearts that gave. Not just the powerful, strong, or brave. A simple act can light a flame, and generations may bless your name. So rise each morning with fire inside. Let purpose and passion be your guide. Mountain or valley, stand tall, don't flee. You are shaping your eternity, because one day the world will see you were more than a memory. You were destiny. Both mountain and valley are created by God. And wherever you find yourself, make impact, because we will one day become history.
Hello, once again, guys. I just want to inform you that work is going on here day and night. We are working tirelessly to make sure that come on 11 June 2026, everywhere will have been tied up. As you can see, we've changed some ties here. We're already putting new ones because this place is very dusty at the moment and they don't want this to affect anyone. So this is the innovation. You understand? We are renovating. Coming 11th June 2026, when the World Cup is going to start, we will have tidied everywhere up. We have made sure everything is perfectly done. And you can see people are working. People are working tirelessly to make this work. So let's go. And this is the first layer. We need to go down again because this metro station is very massive. You can go down, 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 down. Look at it, look at it. They are still going to remove everything here and put new one. So as you are coming to Mexico, if you have been to Mexico before, maybe some years ago, maybe two, even if your last visitation is, let's say, 5 years ago, 2 years ago, last year, you are going to be seeing something different now. You are going to see something different. And this, how are you? Come on. You are welcome. There are very lively people here. So look at the metro station we are talking about. So this is metro, and they are going to change everything. They want to make everything neat. They have removed every ties here from the wall, and then the one that has not been removed is going to be removed. They are going to be removing it. So look at where everywhere is dusty right now. So we want to make Mexico great nation once again. This is where we call Garibaldi. Garibaldi, you can pass through this Garibaldi to Bonavista. You can go through Garibaldi to Bonavista and from Bonavista to Estado de México. That is, you can connect from Bonavista to another state entirely. That is how important metro station in Mexico seems to be. So follow me once again.
I don't know what is wrong with microphone underground, but let me just tell you this: Mexico is getting ready for the World Cup, and you can feel it right here. I just visited one of the metro stations and I already videoed it and you could see it. It's currently being renovated ahead of FIFA World Cup coming this June 11, 2026. And honestly, the transformation is impressive. As we could see that as we walk into the station, you could immediately see the changes happening. Workers are busy, structures has been upgraded, and everything feels like it's being prepared for something big. This is not just regular innovation. This is Mexico getting ready for the World Cup. Let me talk to this man.
Oh, muy bueno. Esa porque ese video es más importante para el público. México es muy diferente, es muy bonito. Checa todo. Bueno, están arreglando ahorita, pero bienvenido a mi país. La comida. Gracias. Tienes que comer de todo. Tenga mucho bueno comida, bonito de alachera, todo
Sí.
diferente comida.
Pozole,
Gracias.
tienes que comer pozole.
Pozole, telequiles. Gracias.
Being here for me and capturing this moment feels so special because in a few weeks, this place will look completely different, full of energy and excitement. Mexico is getting ready and it's happening right in front of us. If you are planning to visit for the World Cup, just know this city is preparing for you and it is not just a small part of big transformation. So I'm coming to this end of episode. Please kindly subscribe if you want first-hand information, share and like. It's Farmer's Diary.